quick video on a few small but useful Affinity adjustments that make daily workflow much easier. First one. Here on the right side color panel. Click here. And from here you can select Slides View, or Boxes View, or Keep Wheel View, which is mostly used. Next. Here by default the layer view remains smaller. It is good for many people, but not for older guys like me. To make it larger, click here. And from the drop-down change smaller thumbnail to medium or large layer thumbnail. I am keeping larger view. Next. May be good, but I do not want this, so I will drag it and delete it. Now layers, channels, and brushes works for me. If you want to add any other panel according to your preference, then go to Top, Window, Pixel, and here you can select and if you want to return back to the same setting, then go to Top, Window, and Reset. But I still do not want stock here anyway. Next. From above, Affinity has Vector, Pixel, and Layout, which was formerly called Affinity Designer, Photo, and Publisher. Extra added Canva AI. Now I mostly work in Pixel, which is Affinity Photo. I do not mostly use Vector or Layout. So I need a cleaner setup for my most frequently used side. So click here. 3 dots as Studio Manager. And from here, according to your preference, switch on or off the toggle switches. For me, switch off Vector. Then Layout. Canva AI 2, switch off. Now it looks much better for daily use purpose. And I want to add retouching, switch on. Color grading, switch on. That is it for me. Feel free and pick according to your preference. Next. Previous Affinity Photo had a Develop Persona tool here in this section. But in the current layout it looks missing at first glance. But it is not. So when you have your subject on the artboard to work on, with Move tool selected, click on the image. Now you can see the same section. Develop, Liquify, Tone Map. All three appears. For a quick define for new users, Develop works for basic raw image processing and adjustment before editing. Liquify works for reshaping and adjusting parts of the image manually. And Tone Map works with ready-made presets to quickly enhance your image. You can also bring this by clicking on the image, and here from the drop-down, Develop, Liquify, Tone Map. Another thing. Left side all tools are in fixed mode. If you want, you can make them floating during your working on project. To make so, go to View, Tools, and check Dock. Now you can move the Tools panel anywhere during your working time. And if you want to make it fixed again, which I prefer, then again go to View, Tools, and check Dock. Next, if something is wrong with your Affinity Photo, maybe some options are missing or the app is not working properly, then a factory reset is the best way to fix almost every issue. Just hold the Control key and click the Affinity Photo icon to open it. This reset window will appear. Now check the boxes for the data you want to clear, or simply click Select All for a full reset. After that, click to clear. Affinity Photo should restart completely fresh, just like a newly installed copy. Now log in again with your Canva account, and everything should start working properly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share the video. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.